Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about top 6 health benefits of collagen supplements. Collagen is a structural protein found in connective tissues throughout your body, including skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Its primary function is to help tissues withstand stretching. As we age, our bodies make less collagen. Some people attempt to restore collagen by taking a collagen supplement. Collagen is one of the most plentiful proteins in mammals. It is responsible for several biological functions, one of which is to provide structural support in connective tissue, muscle, and skin. Collagen is the protein responsible for skin elasticity. It also plays a role in joint and bone health. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section if you're already subscribed, so you know when we launch new videos. Human bodies create collagen naturally. Over time, however, the production of this protein slows down. As a result, a person's skin begins to lose some of its ability to bounce back into shape, a process that many call elasticity. As this occurs, wrinkles begin to form. Although certain foods, such as bone broth, contain collagen, people who want wrinkle-free skin or other health benefits often look to supplements to increase their collagen intake. Researchers have investigated the effects of collagen supplementation on aging skin, bone density, joint health, and other factors. While results are promising, more research is needed to fully understand whether or not supplementation is effective. However, some of the potential health benefits of collagen supplements include: 1. Bone health. It is unclear whether collagen supplementation can improve bone health. In a 2010 study published in the journal Maturitas, researchers found that collagen supplements failed to improve bone health in postmenopausal women. For the study, 71 women with osteopenia were assigned to take either hydrolyzed collagen supplements or a placebo every day for 24 weeks. Results revealed that the collagen supplements did not produce any effects on bone metabolism. The researchers found that the women taking the calcium and the collagen had lower levels of a protein responsible for breaking down bones in their blood. Studies have shown that taking collagen supplements may have certain effects in the body that help inhibit the bone breakdown that leads to osteoporosis. In one study, women took either a calcium supplement combined with 5 grams of collagen or a calcium supplement and no collagen daily for 12 months. 2. Improved joint health. As a person ages, their joints start to break down. In particular, the spongy cartilage of the joints starts to wear away. There is some evidence to suggest that collagen supplements can help with restoring or preventing the deterioration of the cartilage in the joints. What do the studies say? One review of the research into collagen supplementation found that using hydrolyzed collagen supplements helps promote joint health and potentially restore some bone density in people with osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. The review also showed that it helped reduce joint pain. 3. Heart disease. Some people take collagen supplements to boost heart health, although there is limited independent research to support this benefit. Researchers affiliated with a Japanese company that makes a collagen-based functional food published a study in 2017. They concluded that when consumed regularly for 6 months, collagen tripeptide helped improve cholesterol levels and reduced other risk factors for atherosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries. Some consumers also take collagen supplements for eye health, to improve the appearance of skin and nails, and to boost weight loss. However, little evidence is available to support these benefits. 4. Improve skin health. Collagen is a major component of your skin. It plays a role in strengthening skin, plus may benefit elasticity and hydration. As you age, your body produces less collagen, leading to dry skin and the formation of wrinkles. However, several studies have shown that collagen peptides or supplements containing collagen may help slow the aging of your skin by reducing wrinkles and dryness. In one study, women who took a supplement containing 2.5 to 5 grams of collagen for 8 weeks experienced less skin dryness and a significant increase in skin elasticity compared with those who did not take the supplement. Another study found that women who drank a beverage mixed with a collagen supplement daily for 12 weeks experienced increased skin hydration and a significant reduction in wrinkle depth compared with a control group. The wrinkle-reducing effects of collagen supplements have been attributed to their ability to stimulate your body to produce collagen on its own. Additionally, taking collagen supplements may promote the production of other proteins that help structure your skin, including elastin and fibrillin. 5. Could boost muscle mass. Between 1 to 10% of muscle tissue is composed of collagen. This protein is necessary to keep your muscles strong and functioning properly. Studies suggest that collagen supplements help boost muscle mass in people with sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass that happens with age. In one study, 27 frail men took 15 grams of collagen while participating in an exercise program daily for 12 weeks. Compared with men who exercised but did not take collagen, they gained significantly more muscle mass and strength. Researchers have suggested that taking collagen may promote the synthesis of muscle proteins like creatine, as well as stimulate muscle growth after exercise. More research is necessary to investigate collagen's potential to boost muscle mass. 6. Other health benefits. Collagen supplements may have other health benefits, but these have not been studied extensively. Hair and nails. Taking collagen may increase the strength of your nails by preventing brittleness. Additionally, it may stimulate your hair and nails to grow longer. Gut health. Although there is no scientific evidence to support this claim, some health practitioners promote the use of collagen supplements to treat intestinal permeability, or leaky gut syndrome. Brain health. No studies have examined the role of collagen supplements in brain health. However, some people claim they improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety. Weight loss. Some believe that taking collagen supplements may promote weight loss and a faster metabolism. There have not been any studies to support these claims. Although these potential effects are promising, more research is needed before formal conclusions can be made. Types and how to use them. Collagen supplements come in a variety of types. A person should choose the supplement that best supports their goals when picking a collagen type. The following are the most common types of collagen a person can find in stores or online. Type 1, this is one of the most abundant types present in the human body and helps support healthy skin. Type 2, this is present primarily in cartilage and can help promote joint health. Type 3, this type also helps promote skin health by improving elasticity. Type 5, this type helps promote the growth of the placenta in pregnant women. Type 10, this type also occurs in cartilage and helps promote bone health and development. Most supplements will contain several of these, and possibly other, types of collagen. Also, in many cases, the collagen is hydrolyzed. Undergoing the hydrolyzation process makes collagen easier for the body to absorb. People have reported many other benefits of collagen supplements, but these claims haven't been studied much. Although several foods contain collagen, it's unknown whether the collagen in food offers the same benefits as supplements. Collagen supplements are generally safe, quite easy to use, and definitely worth trying for their potential benefits. Please check the link in the description down below for more information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support this channel.